Myself Ganga Aditya, I am studying in BSc First Sem. Today I am discuss about refractive index definition, specific and molar refraction. Refractive index is a dimensionless number that measures how much light bends or refracts when it passes through a material. Definition: the refractive index of material is the ratio of speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in a material. Symbols: refractive index is usually represented by n, or sometimes it represented by mu. Importance of refractive index. Refractive index is a fundamental property of materials that determines how light interacts with them. And second one, it used to calculate the angle of refraction and reflection of light through different materials. Third one is it's an essential parameter in the development of optical equipments like camera, eyeglasses, and contact lenses. Here, Snell's law applied that says light bends when it passes from one medium to another medium. That is, n1 sin theta is equal to n2 sin theta. Sin theta 1, sin theta 2. Specific is a refractive index. Increment is key value for determining the molar mass averages and distribution of macromolecules. It is used when refractometric static light scattering and viscometric detection are combined with science-based suppression techniques. Refractive index is useful constant because it is directly related to measurable quantities like observation and reflection. It is also used in healthcare to help patients select the right eyeglasses and contact lens. Now, molar refraction. Molar refraction is a measure of a substance molarizability, or how easily its electron shells can be displaced relative to its nucleus. Definition of molar refraction: it is the product of substance molecular weight and specific refraction. It is calculated using the Lawson's formula, which depends on the refractive index, molecule weight, and the density of the substance. Factors that affect molar refraction: it depends on temperature, pressure, and index of refraction. Molar refraction is expressed in centimeter cube per mole. Now, the refractive index or refractive index of molar refraction is one of the physiochemical property of substance optical medium. The refractive index can provide information for us about the behavior of light. Thomas Young was presumably the person who first used and invented the name index of refraction in 1807. Thank you.